Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert picture in MS Word next to next. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then click desktop and choose a picture on our file. Now I choose the picture and click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture in MS Word next to next very easily. Then we resize the picture small and big, or move this picture, click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click warp text option and choose in front of text. Then we move the picture. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.